Hey guys, today I want to show you how to remove this type of roof light in Golf MK7, Passat B8, I believe also Skoda Superb 3, probably some other VAC cars as well. So this one is already removed. I've already installed another one, but I need to remove it once again just to adjust it a little bit. There's a modification that I've made to it, and I've made a separate video about it. You can click over here or check the description below this video if you are interested in this modification. But now let's get to removing it. First that you need to do is remove this partially transparent frame over here. I'm going to open this, remove my sunglasses, and maybe even with my finger, if I can squeeze them in over here, you can see that I can remove it. Prying tools to help out. It's difficult to do it with one hand, so please give me a minute. Okay, it's released, and if you have a standard halogen headlight, this will just fall down, and if you have LED one, it will hang on those wires, because those LEDs are all actually connected to the bottom element. And right now, since this is not blocking the clips anymore, we can use the prying tool, squeeze it over here in this gap, and this should release this element. One side. And the other one. Okay, and now we have just two connectors to disconnect. This is the 6-pin connector for the actual light, and over here there's a 2-pin connector for the microphone, if you have microphone in your car. And the element is removed. As you saw, you need to press the lock on the blue connector to release it. And for the 2-pin connector, the microphone connector, the lock is actually over here. And you need to press it in this direction, like this. And the connector will be released. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and see you soon.